Yo, ever watched a YouTube short and wondered, what's that cool gadget? Or where is that place? Well, guess what? YouTube just dropped a game changer. Introducing Google Lens integration in YouTube Shorts, a revolutionary feature that lets you search what you see instantly. 1. What's the buzz about? Now, while watching a short, you can pause, tap the lens icon, and circle or tap on any object to get instant information. Whether it's a sneaker, a landmark, or a gadget, Lens provides visual matches and search results overlaid on the video, enhancing your viewing experience without interruptions. 2. How it works. Pause the short by tapping the screen. Tap the Lens button on the top menu. Circle, highlight, or tap the item you're curious about. Lens will then display relevant search results directly on the video. Once you're done, swipe down to continue watching. 3. Why it matters. This integration transforms passive viewing into interactive exploration. No more pausing to search elsewhere. Everything you need is right there. It's a seamless blend of entertainment and information, making your shorts experience more engaging and informative. 4. What to keep in mind. A few things to note. Currently in beta, rolling out to users gradually. No ads will appear in Lens search results during the pilot phase. Lens won't function on shorts with affiliate shopping links or paid promotions. Ready to explore the world through your screen? Dive into YouTube Shorts and experience the power of Google Lens.